guys, it's Lolo
and V,
and welcome back to my channel. Woo-hoo! So today we are going to be doing a few things. We're both really feeling this summer vibe.
Summer vibes. Talk to me. What does it look like?
It's, you know, the effortless glam.
White, linen, breathable, wearable, natural, walk out the door, enhanced beauty.
Exactly. So to enhance our natural beauty today, we're gonna be doing that TikTok brow lift lamination.
Laminated brows, TikTok trends.
Yes, that. To get those bushy. I just woke up and
feathered bush.
Defined, kind of.
Yeah.
Fluffy. Okay.
We got this. Amazon.
Yes.
Super cheap, easy.
Was it 30 bucks?
It was upside down.
30 bucks, and it comes like you can open it and show us.
So it comes with it comes with everything that you need. So this is a lash kit. I've used this for my lashes. Turns out great, and so now we're doing it for the first time for our brows. So it comes with the glue, the perm, the fixation, some oil, and then to clean it all off, and then it gives you some tools.
Perfect.
So everything you need comes in this thing except Q-tips.
Okay. If you want to see how our brows look after we laminate them, then please keep on watching.
My pattern is pretty much like thinner and longer hairs. And I feel like yours is a bit more thick.
Yeah, my brows are like curly.
Yeah,
like
so we'll see how it works on different hair patterns. Can you do that?
Ooh.
I feel like my hair is too slicked in this ponytail.
But while we do our brows, we're also going to take care of our skin so we can just walk out the door. So instead of putting on tons of concealer, we are going to erase our dark circles using Teami's Hibiscus Infused Vitamin C Serum. And I love this stuff. If you watched my last video and then you look at it now, I've already used half the bottle. I really do notice a difference in my skin. I feel like it's boosted.
We have no face makeup on right now.
Yeah, no foundation at all.
Yeah, so the results speak for itself.
Yeah. So, and then I have these little eye patches. I got like a box of like 100 from Amazon. And they're eye gel patches, but they don't have any product on them. If you want to add product, your favorite eye cream, it's way cheaper than getting the pre-made, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna be using the vitamin C serum as our like eye cream boosting area. Okay.
It smells so good.
It smells good, right?
Oh my gosh, and it's like invigorating.
It's kind of cooling.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't it nice?
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that nice?
Under the fan.
Yeah, it
feels
great.
So good.
If you guys want to try out the serum, I do have a code. It's LOLOS20. I'll leave it linked. I'll leave everything linked down below. So definitely check it out. Okay, so we're gonna get started, and we thought it would be easiest to do it on each other. So yeah. Alcohol and
that's actually good for your pimples.
Oh, girl.
For any acne or blemishes. Oil. I put it on my face.
You do?
Not all the time? No, not all the time. So we're gonna do that upwards trend. So I'm gonna already just like pre-brush through her hair. And then I'm gonna take the glue that comes in the kit and just like kind of really get it in there, brush it up. And I'm gonna do this in sections, so.
How's it doing? Sticking or no?
Yeah. So I'm like just making sure that it lays so flat, the flattest it can be. So I'm going to go back over that same spot and just re-glue. This might take a couple steps depending on how your hair, your eyebrow hair is. But just be patient. Glue it up, stick it down, tack it down, glue it up, comb through it, tack it down, glue it up, stick it down, tack it down.
Here's how my brows look glued down. So
I was
now,
about to do mine.
yeah, now it's Vita's twine. So I like.
It feels weird.
It does feel weird, right? It feels like.
That's what I meant.
Oh my god. It's so
Mine
long.
is so long. So I'm saying I feel like it's gonna look weird if I want to try and keep the length
Okay.
as much as I can. So if you wow, that's super feathered. I really like it.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do the other side and we'll be back.
So yeah, we have our brows laid.
Wow.
And now we're gonna do the first step, which is applying the perm. So I'm just gonna generously coat Lauren's eyebrows in this perm. Like, generously make sure it gets under that first layer of brow. Okay, so now we have to put 5 minutes on the timer.
Alright, we'll be back.
So then you're just gonna take that off. Wait, what? Why are you laughing? I was gonna say something that I'm not gonna say.
What?
Like, what if I did this and like, as I'm screaming,
My hairs came on? That would be the funniest.
on it?
Oh my god, what the fuck?
After that.
Oh my god!
You're gonna have to just cut it.
I'll just cut the. Alright, we'll be back in 5 more minutes.
Now we put oil because we just permed our hair, honey. We need to hydrate that, honey. Rehydrate it.
Alright.
I think let's try brushing them with the real brush.
We're gonna go in the bathroom and
Zhuzh. Fix them up.
and then we'll be back. Alright, so we're back and we trimmed and filled them in a little bit.
But not even really.
Yeah, no.
This isn't really any filled in. It's just like we did our underline,
Yeah.
hard line underneath,
Yeah.
and blended it upwards. I think it turned out really good.
Me too, I like it a lot actually.
I mean, at first, you know, we were like,
a
oh
little
my
scary
god,
at
it's
first.
so straight. But you definitely have to trim it.
Yeah.
You definitely like have to kind of work with it, and then just like look at her, you know, just accept it. And looks good.
Looks good. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. Vita, thank you again for joining me
I
today.
love coming on your show.
I love having you. Just like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe because look at her. Wouldn't you want to?
I love you guys and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, this is my sister who is an ex-sugar baby coach and dating expert. Today she's going to be helping me make a dating profile.
Yay! First things first, we need a profile picture. Nope, you need to be smiling. You gonna wear that wig every day? Yay, that's the one!